Hey everyone, welcome to Flavors and Fragrance recipes. Today I'm going to make banana pancake. Again, this is kids' favorite recipe. Most of the kids love this recipe because it's sweet and tasty. So for this recipe, I have taken 3 bananas. Then this is all-purpose flour, 1.5 cup. Then I've taken 2 eggs. Then I've taken vanilla essence. I've taken this big cup of milk, but I'm not going to put so much, around half a cup I'm going to put, or a little bit more. So for now I've taken this 1 cup of milk, and I've taken 2 tablespoons of castor sugar. If you don't have castor sugar, you can use regular sugar also. So let's start making banana pancake. So at first I'm going to cut my bananas into small pieces. You can even smash them or you can even grate them. Okay, so first I will cut them and then I will smash them. So let's do that. Whatever your children like, you can do it, smash it or grate them. The idea is that they should be actually smashed, honestly, because it should not come into their mouth when they are eating. The pancakes are usually very soft and fluffy. So I've cut them now, and with my hand I'm going to actually smash them. So let's smash them completely. So for this recipe you can take soft bananas, don't take ripe bananas. The more softer they are, the more better it is. So okay, I've smashed them now. This is the way I want it. They are nicely smashed, and now we are going to start adding our ingredients to this. Okay, so first I am going to add my eggs. After that we are going to add vanilla essence. Vanilla essence will take out the egg smell. You can even add almond essence or even banana essence, but I prefer to add vanilla essence. I like the taste of vanilla essence in my pancake. Then I'm going to add this sugar, 2 tablespoons. Now sugar consistency you can keep as you want. Now let's mix this. Whisk it nicely. You should also add a half teaspoon of salt, little bit, or a pinch of salt. The sugar consistency you adjust. Mostly kids like sweet pancake, and you can also increase the banana consistency if they like banana. I have taken 3 bananas. You can take more. Now I'm adding my all-purpose flour. You also get pancake mix, you can even add that, but doesn't really matter whether you're taking pancake mix or all-purpose flour, or you can even try half maida and half whole wheat flour. So that becomes a bit more healthy if you're health conscious. So I'm going to mix this nicely, and then slowly I'm going to add this milk. First I'm going to add around half a cup. Basically I'll tell you the consistency that we are looking at. It should be a dosa kind of a batter, and you should be able to put it on the tawa. So around half to 1 cup generally you do need. So I'll mix this nicely, make it into a smooth batter. Let's whisk this whole thing till it's nicely blended into each other. Okay, so I've tasted it. The sugar is good, bananas are good. This is the consistency that I want. You can see that it's like our dosa batter. And now we are going to put it on pancake tawa and make it, and then we are going to serve it with either pancake syrup or maple syrup, or you can just eat it just like that. So let's go to make our pancake. So I've taken my pancake tawa and now I'm going to brush some butter or ghee. You can brush anything. My gas is a bit on high because I wanted to heat my tawa. Now I'm going to make it slow. After this, we have to put our batter, just like how you put for any small dhirda or any kind of other pancake, salty pancake or sweet pancake. Okay, so now at this point my gas is slow, and now we are going to cook this nicely till it's cooked on one side, and then we will flip it. Okay, so let's see if we can flip it. Slowly you have to flip it, but before that I want to just put some ghee. Okay, so now we are going to flip, but before that I want to put some ghee on the top and then I will flip it. So let's see if we can flip it. Just be very careful, slowly, and even if the batter comes out, it's okay. You don't have to worry about that. My flame is on low, so I'm flipping it, and then I'm going to brush some ghee or butter on the other side. And now we are going to cook this till it's nicely done. We want golden brown. So I'm brushing some homemade ghee. You can put any butter also if you want to. I prefer ghee. It's going to be very tasty, yummy. Do try this in your home kitchen and let me know in the comments if you liked it. This is kids' favorite recipe. My children love this recipe a lot, and it can be done instantly. It doesn't take more than 10 minutes. It's a quick recipe. They should be nice and fluffy, sweet, fluffy, soft. Now we'll brush some more ghee over here, and that's it. Our pancakes are ready to serve. We can serve them with maple syrup or pancake syrup, or just eat like that. Sometimes some children like even chocolate syrup. Whatever they like, just give it to them, or just ask them to eat plain. It's quite fulfilling, satisfying, tasty, yummy, and a very quick recipe in case of an emergency when the child is hungry and you don't know what to make. Quick recipe. And you want to make it healthier, you can add whole wheat flour, half cup, and half cup of maida or half cup of all purpose. So let me just cook this, and then we are ready to plate it. I'll show you how I am going to plate this in my home. This is how we like it. One side is already done nicely. Another 2 minutes and we should be good to go. I've increased the flame a little bit, and let's just cook this. Okay, so our pancakes are ready. I'm switching off the flame, and now I'm going to plate them. First, let's plate them like this, and then I'll put on the syrup that I want. Serve hot. So I'm going to pour some maple syrup on this. I'm going to put some pancake syrup on this. And it's very yummy. Let's put it like this. This makes the recipe very tasty all the more. It's a kind of a topping. Serve hot. See this? Our pancakes are ready. They are hot, nice, and I'm sure they are very yummy. Subscribe to my channel